Can deer eat dog food? Is it safe for deer? You probably have a dog and you live in an area where there are often deer roaming around. Would you like to know if feeding extra dog food to deer is safe? Can deer eat dog food? If so, is it healthy for them, or will it harm the animal? As springtime arrives, we begin to see deer all around us. With their gentle gazes and majestic steps, they may seem like lovable pets, but in reality, they are wild animals, and that means you need to understand what healthy foods you can feed them, if any at all. Many people have heard of feeding dog food to deer, but is it safe? Can deer eat dog food? To answer this question, we'll dive into the components of dog food and help you decide whether it's an appropriate meal to give a deer or not. Let's get started. Why do deer eat dog food? Deer are natural foragers, meaning that they will eat anything edible that is available. Dog food can be a reliable source of nutrition for these animals. It contains protein and carbohydrates in higher amounts than most other things deer feed on, such as twigs, leaves, and grasses. Additionally, the taste of dog food is often more appealing to deer than other foods in the wild. Is dog food safe for deer? While dog food can provide a healthy source of nutrition, some components can be dangerous to deer if consumed in excess. For example, most dog kibble contains too much fat and salt for deer. Dogs should never consume deer food due to potential health risks. With these tips, you can ensure your local wildlife stays happy and healthy.